unmute
Yeah,
yourself.
yeah. There is a Helping Babies Breathe program. You know that, right? American Academy of Pediatrics.
Yes. हो.
तर त्याची एक सेट ऑफ मॅनिकेन्स असतात. ती अतिशय स्वस्त असतात आणि फार इफेक्टिव्ह असतात. दे आर सो इफेक्टिव्ह इन हेल्पिंग द रिससिटेशन ट्रेनिंग. ते सिम्युलेशन करता येतं. यू कॅन डू सिम्युलेशन युझिंग these helping babies breathe mannequins. आणि खूप स्वस्त असतात. तर my interest is to teach as many people as possible with resuscitation training. So I've been trying to find partners who can become like train the trainers. म्हणजे NSSK मध्ये जसं ट्रेन द ट्रेनर असतं तसं आपल्याला जर करता आलं आणि if we can make KEM as a center and then bring in the traditional birth attendants or SNCU nurses or medical officers to come train, then we can do that.
KEM नक्कीच करता येईल ते. कारण there is sufficient human resource and sufficient infrastructure also, and KEM is already connected to many government and other agencies. So even if you sort of inform the government people, SNCUs attached to community center, a lot of smaller private hospitals, people will be interested, provided it is publicized properly.
Right. It will be, you can lead that project. You should lead that project actually. And what I will do is, I will digitize the training. We have already digitized the training. We'll just provide the videos. And you guys conduct the OSCEs. OSCEs are like, this like a training exam, evaluations.
पण तुला एक नितीन सांगते, बरेच वर्षापूर्वी रोटरी मध्ये एकाने अँब्यू बॅग्स डोनेट केले आणि आपण वडूचा स्टाफ, वडू मधले जे डिलिव्हरीज करतात ते डॉक्टर्स, असे 30 लोक आणले आणि एक दिवसाचं वर्कशॉप केलं आणि त्यांना ट्रेन केलं आणि त्यांना फुकट दिल्या अँब्यू बॅग्स आणि ते मॅनिक्विनवर त्यांना करायला लावलं, सगळं केलं. अँड देन वी सेड लेट्स सी हाऊ मच दे हॅव लर्न. सो अबाउट 4 months later we called them and we said की तुम्ही या बघू तुम्ही काय शिकलाय ते. तर तुला माहिती आहे का कोणी आलं नाही. आय वॉज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड. कोणी आलं नाही आणि त्या अँब्यू बॅग्स त्यांनी बहुतेक फेकून दिलं.
I think times have changed.
Anyway, worth a try. Why not? नाही पण आता काय आहे, पण हे बघ 10-15 वर्षात फरक खूप पडलाय लोकांच्या मेंटॅलिटी मध्ये. सो तू उमेशशी कम्युनिकेट कर ना.
Yes, that would be awesome.
Correct. And आता there are many more smaller NICUs everywhere, even in district places and small places. People will definitely want their staff to be trained. So I think we'll give it a try, and even if you can train say 50 people properly, you've done a lot of good.
Right. And we do have Marathi training also. We are trying to make Hindi training, English training तर already ready आहे आमचं.
Right. Most of our nurses manage.
पण मला सांग, याला खर्च काय येईल आणि तो कोण करणार?
तर आता खर्च काय होईल तो मॅनिकेनचा खर्च असणार आणि लोकांना त्यांच्या बेसिकली इथं म्हणजे KEM ला येऊन ते ट्रेनिंग एक्झाम देण्यापर्यंत पुरता खर्च त्यांना.
त्याला पण यू कॅन कीप नॉमिनल रजिस्ट्रेशन.
मॅनेजमेंट आपल्याकडे आहे ना उमेश?
आपल्याकडे आहे, पण आपल्याकडे तुम्हाला जर मल्टिपल वर्क स्टेशन्स ठेवायची असली तर मग कमी पडतात. So we have had to borrow from other places. So we have at least 3 or 4 workstations and all the delegates can actually practice it. तर एकच मॅनिक्विन तर 2च असली तर मग वेळ खूप लागतो.
Right, we can give, send in several mannequins.
Yeah, so
that's not going to be a problem.
That's not going to be a problem. Many more skill stations where people can do hands-on work.
Yeah, we can do that.
मग तुझ्या पलवच्या थ्रू डोनेट कर ना मॅनिक्विन्स.
We can do that. It's not a problem. I am open to doing that. Not I.
Seriously,
my wife just corrected me. Not, actually, I also have a collaboration with Pravra Institute. where we are, they have a 300 traditional birth attendants. So we are also thinking about training them through their institutes. So, there is a lot of resources available. And I'm actually talking to the American Academy of Pediatrics to make available 1,000 mannequins.
I think KM will be happy to do this.
Yeah.
Bhushan Dev is there from Pravra. Are you listening, Bhushan?
And I want to introduce you to a couple of people that I have recently gotten to know. A few people with Dr. Sujit Mule and Bhushan Dev. We have actually put in a grant, NIH grant, of a significant proportions with for the umbilical cord milking. And now these are two individuals from Pravra Institute of Medical Sciences. Then another person that I have gotten to know recently is Dr. Sodhi. She is from Amritsar, and she leads the Amritsar Medical College. And a significant proportion of her staff came to this program through her contacts. And we are also thinking about creating this Helping Babies Breathe component, which is just part of the entire neonatal resuscitation, not the complete neonatal resuscitation project, just Helping Babies Breathe. That will also happen in the 4 or 5 centers, 4 or 5 SNCUs under her leadership. So we are slowly building this group of individuals who are interested in helping newborn survival, improve newborn survival across India. And hopefully through the Pioneer Medical Research Foundation or palo.org, we can put together a great coalition. And we are talking to the American Academy of Pediatrics to give us 1,000 mannequins so that we can train a few thousand individuals and create a tsunami of effect. Number of people who are skilled to save babies in periphery. So hopefully we'll start, and we will also be offering a faculty and student exchange program for those who are interested.
Thank you, Nitin. It is wonderful that you're, actually actively doing something. And
nutrition is one of the most critical component of neurodevelopmental outcome. Actually, in 2019, we published data from KEM that was co-authored by Dr. Vaidya and others in the system, and many of his students were also involved, that those babies with birth asphyxia had who had poor neurodevelopmental outcome also had poor anthropometric measurements at 1 year of age, and we published it 2019. So that tells us, nutrition is so critical. That's why when I was talking to Dr. Chaudhary, I said we need to have nutrition, and we have a leader in nutrition amongst us in form of Dr. Vaidya. So he's leader in many other areas, but especially nutrition is very dear to his heart. So therefore, it was a great privilege